How to parse JSON data in n8n. So to do that, what we can do is we just need to open our n8n workflow, and once you're in there, just proceed to click onto the plus icon wherein you want to actually add it right there. Now, once you're in here, you can proceed to search right here for parse. You can see in here these options. As you can see, we don't have the parse data yet. So in order to successfully parse JSON data in n8n, you can use a JavaScript function, which is JSON.parse to convert text into JavaScript object. So we can instead click onto this plus icon and search in here for JavaScript. And you can see in here the code. So you can run custom JavaScript or Python code using this. You can click on this, and after that, you can see this code in JavaScript. And then after that, you just need to see it right here. We have this one. You can either ask AI, get some languages based on this, and from in there, you can also add in here some files depending on the parameters that you want. So you need to be knowledgeable in coding in order to actually use this all together. So get back to your canvas and you should be able to see this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.